Okay, you should be able to see that there's about an inch of air underneath the plastic to the rebar, and that'll be a little more when the air gets kicked out of it after the concrete's in. Okay.